$39 for one outdoor light. And that's just the beginning. By the time you try to light up a walkway or add a little glow to your garden, you're suddenly looking at $200, maybe even $300 without realizing it. But what if you could get that same warm, beautiful look for just $2.50 per light? Not cheap looking, not a downgrade. I'm talking about lights that actually make your garden feel cozy, finished, and inviting the moment the sun goes down. Welcome to Timeless Gardening. If you're new here, this is where we take simple, budget-friendly ideas and turn them into something that looks and feels way more expensive than it actually is. And before we get into it, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Drop your location in the comments. I always enjoy seeing where everyone's tuning in from. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 Dollar Tree solar light hacks that completely transform your outdoor space. No wiring, no tools, no experience needed. Just easy ideas that actually work. If you enjoy simple ideas that help you create a beautiful garden without overspending, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Hanging glass jar lanterns. This is the one that really changes how people see Dollar Tree lights. Because the transformation is immediate. You're taking that basic solar stake light, removing the stake, and attaching the top directly onto a glass jar, preferably one with a wire handle so you can hang it. Once it's secured with a strong glue around the rim, what you end up with is a clean, simple lantern that looks far more expensive than it has any right to. The glass softens the light, giving it that warm ambient glow instead of the harsh pinpoint you usually get from standard solar stakes. And the best part is how quickly it comes together. You can make one in just a few minutes without any complicated steps or tools. Where this really shines is in how you style it. Hang a few at different heights along a pergola, a tree branch, or even a simple shepherd's hook, and suddenly your space feels layered and intentional. The glow reflects off the glass in a way that feels soft and inviting, especially at dusk when everything starts to come alive. You can cluster them together for more impact, or spread them out for a subtle, elegant look. Either way, it creates that relaxed, cozy atmosphere people usually spend a lot of money trying to achieve. And you're doing it for about $2.50 per lantern. Hack number 2. Frosted solar globe lights. This one creates a completely different kind of effect. Instead of a lantern, you get a soft glowing orb that almost looks like it's floating in your garden at night. To make it, you take 2 clear plastic bowls and your solar light. Remove the stake and secure the light inside one bowl with the panel facing upward. Then you seal the second bowl on top, forming a full globe. If you want that high-end diffused glow, a light coat of frosted spray on the inside of the bowls makes a big difference. It softens the light so you don't see the source, just a smooth, even glow that spreads outward in a really calming way. What makes these stand out is how versatile they are. You can line them along a walkway, place them around a seating area, or cluster a few together to create a focal point in your garden. They give off enough light to gently illuminate the space without feeling harsh or overly bright. And when you space them out properly, they guide the eye through your garden in a way that feels natural and intentional. For something made from a couple of Dollar Tree bowls and a basic solar light, the end result feels surprisingly polished, like something you'd expect to see in a professionally landscaped yard. Hack number 3. Freestanding pot lights. This one is all about function while still keeping that clean, finished look. Instead of hanging or placing lights low to the ground, you're creating a freestanding light source using a simple planter pot. Start by adding a foam base inside the pot. Then insert 2 solar stake lights at a slight angle so the panels can catch as much sunlight as possible during the day. Once they're in place, fill the rest of the pot with decorative stones or pebbles to hold everything steady and give it a polished appearance. You can leave the pot as it is, or give it a quick coat of spray paint to match your space. Either way, it instantly looks more intentional. Where this really works is in placement. Put one on either side of a walkway, near your front door or next to a garden bench, and it creates that subtle finished feeling that ties everything together. Because the lights sit higher, they spread illumination a bit farther than ground level options, making them more practical while still adding atmosphere. And the fact that you can move them around anytime is a huge bonus. For something that costs just a few dollars to put together, it gives you the kind of presence you'd normally expect from much more expensive outdoor lighting. Hack number 4. Solar watering can light feature. This one leans more into creativity and gives your garden a real focal point, something that feels a bit more custom and eye-catching. The idea is simple. take a metal or plastic watering can and turn it into a glowing pouring light feature, using a Dollar Tree solar light. Remove the stake and secure the solar top onto the lid or opening of the watering can, so the panel sits on top and gets full sun. Then attach a strand of small LED fairy lights, also from Dollar Tree, inside the spout so they hang downward like flowing water. When the light turns on at night, it creates this soft cascading glow that looks like illuminated water pouring out. Where this really stands out is in how you display it. Set the watering can on a hook, a stand, or even tilt it slightly on a raised surface so the light stream falls toward a flower bed, a pot, or decorative stones. It instantly becomes a conversation piece, something people notice right away. The glow is gentle but detailed, and it adds movement and personality to your space without needing anything complicated. For a few dollars and a little setup time, you end up with something that feels unique and almost artistic, like a custom garden feature you'd normally have to hunt down at a specialty store. Hack number 5. Solar fence cap lights. This one is perfect if you have a fence, deck railing, or even raised garden beds and want a clean built-in lighting look without actually installing anything complicated. Take your solar stake light, remove the stake, and you're left with that flat base and panel. Instead of hanging or embedding it, you attach it directly onto the top of a fence post or railing, using a strong adhesive or outdoor mounting tape. The flat bottom of most Dollar Tree solar lights makes this surprisingly easy, and once it's in place, it looks like it was designed to be there. What makes this hack so effective is how polished it feels. When you line a few of these along a fence or railing, it creates a consistent glow that frames your space and adds structure to your garden at night. It's subtle, but it makes everything feel more put together. Plus, because they're elevated, they cast light outward instead of just downward, which helps brighten the surrounding area more evenly. For something that takes just a few minutes per light, it gives you that upgraded finished look you'd normally expect from professionally installed outdoor lighting. Hack number 6. Solar mason jar path lights. This one brings everything back down to ground level, but in a way that feels soft, warm, and really inviting. Instead of using the standard plastic stakes, you're pairing your solar light with mason jars to create a more grounded, natural-looking path light. Remove the stake, attach the solar top to the jar opening just like in the first hack, and then place the jar directly along your walkway, garden edge, or flower bed. You can leave the jar clear for a brighter glow or lightly frost it to diffuse the light and create a softer effect. Either way, the glass instantly elevates the look and makes the lighting feel more intentional. What makes these stand out is how they guide movement through your space. When you line them along a path or stagger them around a garden bed, they create a gentle rhythm of light that naturally draws the eye forward. It's not overpowering, it's subtle, almost calming, but it completely changes how your garden feels at night. And because they sit low, they highlight textures like stone, mulch, and plants in a really beautiful way. For such a simple setup, the end result feels thoughtful and designed, like something you'd expect to see in a carefully planned outdoor space. Hack number 7. Solar basket lantern lights. This one adds a bit of texture and character to your lighting, and it's a great way to make your garden feel more styled, without spending much at all. The idea is to take a small wire basket or decorative metal holder from Dollar Tree and turn it into a lantern by placing your solar light inside. Remove the stake, position the solar top so the panel sits exposed at the top, and secure it if needed. You can place a glass jar or even a plastic cup inside the basket to hold the light in place and help diffuse the glow. Once it's set, the basket acts as a frame, giving the light a more detailed, layered look. What really makes this hack stand out is the pattern it creates at night. The light shines through the openings in the basket, casting soft shadows and adding depth to your space. It's a small detail, but it makes everything feel more intentional and a little more elevated. You can hang these from hooks, set them on tables, or place them along steps for a cozy effect. And because there are so many different basket styles, you can easily match them to your garden's look. It's one of those simple upgrades that quietly makes a big difference once the sun goes down. Hack number 8. Solar hanging teacup lights. This is a fun, whimsical hack that instantly adds personality to your garden or patio. Take a small teacup or coffee mug, preferably one with a handle, and turn it into a hanging solar lantern. Remove the stake from your Dollar Tree solar light, then attach the solar panel to the bottom of the cup using a strong adhesive. Make sure the panel faces upward to catch the sun during the day. You can hang the finished light by the cup handle from a shepherd's hook, pergola beam, or even a tree branch, letting it swing gently in the breeze. What makes this hack so charming is the soft, playful glow it creates at night. The cup acts as a little shade, diffusing the light and giving it a warm, intimate feel. Hang a few at varying heights to create a layered, magical look that's perfect for garden parties, cozy evenings, or just adding a touch of personality to your outdoor space. It's inexpensive, creative, and completely customizable. You can mix and match colors or patterns to suit your style, making it feel uniquely yours. Hack number 9. Solar Terracotta Pot Luminaries. This hack takes a classic garden element, a simple terracotta pot, and transforms it into a glowing accent that's both functional and decorative. Remove the stake from your solar light, and place the solar panel on the bottom inside the pot. You can add a layer of foam or pebbles to hold the light steady, and then fill the rest of the pot with decorative rocks or small plants. The light shines upward, creating a warm ambient glow that highlights surrounding foliage or architectural elements in your garden. It's simple, sturdy, and gives a very polished, professional look without spending a fortune. The best part is how versatile these luminaries are. Line them along a pathway, group a few on a patio table, or flank a garden bench to create visual balance and interest. Because they're slightly elevated, they cast light outward as well as upward, subtly illuminating nearby areas without being harsh. For just a few dollars you get the impact of expensive outdoor lighting, with the creativity and personality of a DIY project, perfect for anyone who wants their garden to feel inviting and well-designed. Hack number 10. Solar Hanging Lantern Clusters. This final hack is all about creating a dramatic, high-impact display without spending a fortune. Take several Dollar Tree solar lights, remove the stakes, and attach each one to a small jar, cup, or even a lightweight basket. Then group them together in clusters of 3, 5, or 7, and hang them at varying heights from a pergola, tree branch, or shepherd's hook. The key here is the cluster effect. It multiplies the glow and instantly draws attention, making a small corner of your garden feel like a magical curated space. What makes this hack really special is how flexible it is. You can mix different styles of holders, play with heights, or even add a few faux flowers or greenery around the hooks to integrate them into your garden design. At night, the clustered lights create layers of warm illumination, reflecting off surfaces and adding depth to your space. For a total cost that's just a fraction of what a single boutique lantern would run, you get a display that feels custom, intentional, and absolutely enchanting. And there you have it. 10 incredible Dollar Tree solar light hacks that completely transform your garden without breaking the bank. From hanging glass jars to frosted globes, freestanding pot lights, whimsical teacups, and clustered lanterns, each idea is simple, affordable, and totally doable for anyone. The best part? Every single light costs just a few dollars to make, but looks like it belongs in a high-end garden store. Now it's your turn. Pick one or try them all, and start lighting up your outdoor space in a way that's uniquely yours. Share your setup in the comments, and let me know where you put your lights and how much you saved. If you loved these hacks, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Timeless Gardening, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another budget-friendly, beautiful garden idea. Happy gardening, friends. See you next time.